Hi, this is Grisha for Markle plugin. In today's video, I will overview free Figma file with the email templates collection designed especially for Klaviyo. This is a free file, is available on Figma community, link in the description. This file contains all the main components for building any email campaign with its call to action block, gallery, product grid, and so on. All components crafted with auto layout, color styles, and font styles, so you can easily change color to match your brand guidelines. Let's build some templates using the components from the file. To start, I recommend to install Marco Email Generator Figma plugin. With this plugin, you will be able to export any template from the file as HTML email. First, let's run the plugin, create a new template, and copy-paste components from file to the new frame. And then let's change primary color, for example, to pink, to match your brand guidelines. To do so, on the right sidebar, find color styles and change it to any color as you want. This email template collection built for Klaviyo. So each footer has special Klaviyo unsubscribe tag. So in the file you can find all other Klaviyo variables, so you can use them in your campaign, such as first name, email address, and so on. You can copy HTML code from Figma or export directly to Klaviyo using Klaviyo API. To do so, create a new API key, then add it in the plugin on export section and click export. After that, your template will be available in your Klaviyo dashboard when you can send it to your clients. This is how emails look in different email clients such as Outlook, Gmail, Apple, as a result in Inbox. Thank you for watching.